Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this digital bell alarm clock with FM radio from Mebus. Two alarm clocks with alarm repetition and snooze, weekday or weekend alarm and bell chime or radio alarm adjustable, clock with 12 or 24-hour display, display brightness adjustable in 2 steps, volume adjustable in 16 steps, with one USB output for charging your smartphone, 5V 1 amp. Let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice. Stay with me, all about these products, it is on the way. Wow! I like this old style, matte black. It looks beautiful. So glossy. This is the radio antenna. It is about 50 centimeters. Now at the back we have the volume decrease and alarm setting, the volume increase and alarm 2 setting, the previous radio station and hour setting, next radio station minute setting, the radio on off, the power button, station search time setting, set time, the sleep timer, the dimmer for display brightness 2 levels, the memory button set radio station, and the alarm off button. Here it is the speaker for the radio. If you want, you can mount it and add a wall from this hole. Here we have the battery compartment, CR2032. Let's remove this. This is the backup battery, the USB output for charging your smartphone, 5V 1 amp, and the DC 5V in. You can plug it in with this cable and power on this device. 5V you need, or from a power bank. And here we have the snooze button. If you have at this position the alarm clock, just press here and snooze. There's the button. Nice fits. I like it. Chrome. I like the style. Now let's plug it in. I will use my power bank for now. Now to set up the time, just press and hold the set time button for 2 seconds. And then with the minute and hour button, adjust the minute first. Press and hold, it will go faster. The hour. And then again the set time button, 24 hours, 12 or 24 hours, 24 hours, set button again. The days of the week, Monday, 7 days, Monday, set button. And that was the setup for the time, so easy. With the power button you can turn on the radio, adjust the frequency, and the volume. At this moment I can't play any song because it is a copyright. And with the power button you can switch off the radio. Power on again, and with the memory you can choose other memories. We can see here, I think the maximum it is 16, 17, okay, 20, yep, 20 memories. And you can just press and hold the memory button and it will store your favorite radio station. And off with the power button. And with the sleep button here you can just press and it will switch off the radio after 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 minutes sleep. And off. Nice, I like it. You're going to bed and listen your favorite radio station, and it will switch off after the minute you have adjusted. Now for the alarm, we have the first and the second alarm here. First alarm we can see here, radio or off. That means it will wake you up with the alarm or with the radio. Alarm. Let's adjust the alarm. Press and hold the button for the second alarm and we can adjust the alarm. Okay, let's see. .59 and the hour. Press the second button. Now you can have the alarm from the first day of the week to the last, Monday to Sunday, or from Monday to Friday, or from Saturday to Sunday, Monday to Sunday. Set. Now let's go and to the first alarm, and now I will choose and again we can set from Monday to Sunday, the same settings, and that was all. And of course I can choose to have the first alarm with radio, or off, or on with ring, and the same for the first alarm, radio, off, or with ring. So let's wait. And snooze. After 5 minutes it will ring again. Of course you can switch off the alarm, the snooze process. Now let's wait until it will go 3 o'clock and wake you up with your favorite radio station. Yep, correct. The volume is low and just press again and snooze. Or you can just press the button, turn off the alarm until the next day. And of course I can charge my smartphone, and it says 2 hours and 50 minutes until fully charged. My smartphone, it is on 53%. It is only 5 volt 1 amp. And with the dimmer button, decreasing the brightness, increasing 2 levels. Nice black color with huge display and visible time at the night. Is not bother my eyes when I'm sleeping. I like this old style. For me, I think I will choose the waking up alarm process with the radio. The alarm bell is too loud and harsh for someone like me, light sleeping. It cost only 20 euros, fair price. Until my next video, my viewers, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.